Part 1. AI in the Microsoft 365 Suite. Let's begin with the tools you likely spend the most time in. Microsoft has been steadily embedding practical AI directly into the 365 Suite, enhancing productivity without requiring you to learn a new system or possess advanced technical skills. 1.1. Excel. AI-powered analysis and insights. Excel is the cornerstone of finance, and it's now packed with intelligent features that many users overlook. Let's look at 3 powerful examples. First, the Excel forecast sheet. This is a straightforward yet powerful tool. You simply select a range of historical data, like monthly sales figures, and use the forecast sheet command. Excel's AI engine automatically analyzes the trends and seasonality in your data, generates future projections, and provides confidence intervals to show the range of possible outcomes. It even creates a clear chart for you. This is incredibly useful for quick sales forecasts, budget projections, or any trend analysis, giving you a data-driven view of the future in just a few clicks. Next, consider Excel data types, specifically for stocks and geography. This feature is a huge time saver. If you have a column with company names, you can convert it into the stocks data type. Instantly, Excel can pull live or historical data like current price, market cap, and industry sector directly into adjacent cells. Similarly, converting a list of countries to the geography data type can automatically pull in population or economic data. This automates manual web searches and data entry, enriching your analysis with real-world context. Finally, we have the Excel Ideas feature. Think of this as an automated analyst for your spreadsheet. Select any dataset, and Ideas will scan it to highlight key patterns, point out potential outliers, and suggest summaries and visualizations like pivot tables or specific charts. It allows you to gain immediate insights and ask questions of your data without having to build complex formulas or structures from scratch. These tools demonstrate that AI in finance isn't always a distant project. It's often a built-in feature waiting to be used in your most familiar application.